Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Tuesday, July 17th, 2012. And the markets are bullish today. Looks like stocks rose nicely, up almost 80 points on the Dow, and that has a lot to do with Coca-Cola and Goldman Sachs joining the growing roster of S&P companies that are beating profit forecasts. And anytime you have big blue chip companies like that beating estimates, you're going to see a nice rise in the markets. Also in the news we have not only were the stocks up, but oil is also up as Bernanke spurs view on stimulus. What's interesting here is Bernanke today left the door wide open for more stimulus, and I think that also helped the markets. Check this out. We have the Dow up 0.62%, the S&P up 0.75%, and the Nasdaq up almost 0.5%. Russell's up 0.35%. The thing I want you to pay attention to is small caps and tech companies are lagging the others, lagging blue chips at this moment. Banks up 0.95%, but in the face of the laggy small caps and techs, you have the financials, biggest index on the Nasdaq, leading by quite a bit. Watch these banks because the banks are showing strength. We have the VIX down 3.68% because of how much it did drop. It does confirm today's rally, and check this out, the VIX is at 16, pretty low. Gold down right now 0.48% or 0.5%. Silver down not by much, but crude oil up 0.8%. So you had a mixed commodity bag today, and we have the US dollar slightly in bearish territory, and over here taking a look. Well, let me show you something else. Transportation index is down 0.75%. So this is saying we do not have support of the blue chips, so the 30 companies here. That is interesting to see. And furthermore, utilities, which is a defensive sector, is also in positive territory. So let's take a technical look here at the charts. This is the S&P daily chart per usual. I drew these two big beefy lines here to show a symmetrical triangle. We're coming into the apex, and it could get really choppy within this. We're looking for a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside to really start making plays in the market. What you will see inside this consolidation is volume will start drying up. So volume will start weakening at this. Volume should pick up on a breakout or a breakdown. So far at this moment we're above all major moving averages, which is nice, but if you look at the MACD oscillator, MACD is not an indicator, you see that we are above the zero line, histogram line, but we do have a bearish divergence compared to what we're seeing here in the price action. Now I'm going to go over here to the banks, and I'm going to show you the weekly chart. This is something I said in the week in addition video that I wanted you to pay special attention to, is this line, resistance, coming down, resistance, resistance. There's over 450 banks represented in this index, and for this weekly chart, I know it's only Tuesday, we are above that main trend line. That is very, very bullish. However, if the rest of the week we bleed out and come back down, then we'll be at major resistance, and we can expect the next few weeks to be quite bearish. However, if we can stay above that, that would be a bullish play, but we've already been up so many weeks in a row, we are what's considered overextended. Now, pretty excited about the Traders Expo. I know many of you have no clue what the Traders Expo is because we have users from over 155 countries that listen to us on a daily basis. However, those in the States, if you don't know yet about the Traders Expo, I want to introduce them to you now. And this plug for these guys is moneyshow.com. Go to events, then go to trade show. Once you go to the trade show, it is a lot of free education, a lot of booths you can go around, but the one I want to pay special attention to is Las Vegas, November 14th through the 12th or 17th for 2012. Click on that and get registered. It looks like that there's a pretty good chance I will be speaking here. Look forward to that opportunity. And here are some past speakers. We're hoping to bring some more young blood to the group. And anyway, click on register, this register free link, get signed up. We will be there. We hope to see you there. So take care. Very safe trading. Remember, capital preservation comes before profit taking.